Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to replace color on Photopea website. So all you need to do, first of all, is just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Then all you need to do, just go here after opening your browser, go to the URL and type photopea.com and hit the enter button. So that will actually take you into this page, which is gonna be your home or your main screen. So of course, from here you have several options. If you want to create a new project, click here. If you want to open something from your computer, click here. If you want to choose some of their PSD slides or template, click here. Or if you want to drop any file here, just go and drop it out and it will open for you. So for me, I'm just going to click at create a new project and choose maybe a template from here. So I'll wait until it loads. So as you can see here at the right, we have the components of this image. Of course, we have here two texts and we have the bar, the strip, and the background. Of course, if you click at something and maybe click at anything right here, as you can see, when you click on it, it will move and you can start editing it if you hover it right here. Of course, if you want to go back, all you need to do, just hit the Ctrl Z on your keyboard and everything is going back to what it was. So of course, if you want to replace the color or change the color of this component right here, all you need to do, just go to any of those components. So let's say as an example, all of them are gray here. Yeah, it's gray. And let's say I want to change the color. So just right click on the components that you want to change the color of it and head up here to the bottom at color. And as you can see, you'll have a lot of colors. You will even have the non-color if you want, which is the default color. But of course, if you want to change it, just go and change to whatever. And as you can see, now the color of the components here has been changed. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.